Welcome to the overview of ServiceNow modules, a powerful cloud platform built to automate workflows across the enterprise. In this session, we'll walk through key functional areas and explore the submodules that make ServiceNow a leader in digital transformation. IT Service Management, ITSM. We begin with IT Service Management. For ITSM, this includes incident management to restore services quickly and problem management to eliminate root causes. Change management ensures updates are made with controlled risk. Request and knowledge management simplify employee support, while the service catalog gives users an easy self-service interface. Continual improvement management drives ongoing optimization. Advanced capabilities include major incident management for critical events, service level management for slate tracking, and agent assist for AI-driven support. IT operations management, ITOM. ITOM extends visibility into your infrastructure. Discovery identifies all connected devices. And service mapping shows how applications depend on each other. Event management collects alerts, while operational intelligence and health log analytics detect anomalies through machine learning. Cloud and certificate management helps secure hybrid environments. Event field normalization and service graph connectors enhance data consistency and integration across systems. IT asset management, ITSM. ITAM manages the lifecycle of technology assets. This includes hardware, software, cloud, and enterprise asset management. License management ensures compliance, while the normalization engine standardizes asset data. Depreciation tracking helps monitor financial value over time, bringing IT and finance together. Configuration Management Database, CMDB. The CMDB is the foundation of platform intelligence. It stores all configuration items known as CIAs and their relationships. This enables impact analysis and smarter decision-making. The Common Service Data Model, or CSDM, ensures data is structured uniformly. Data certification keeps that information clean, reliable, and audit-ready. Strategic Portfolio Management, SPM. This PM aligns IT projects with business strategy. Demand management captures ideas, while PPM prioritizes and tracks initiatives. Users and financial planning ensure alignment with budgets. Agile and innovation management foster flexibility and creativity. Scenario planning and agile team planning help you evaluate outcomes and assign resources effectively. Employee workflows deliver frictionless experiences. At your service delivery manages the employee journey. Workplace and legal service delivery handle facilities and legal tasks. Procurement service management streamlines supply-related requests, save workplace apps, and ensure business continuity. Case and knowledge management supports resolution, while onboarding and offboarding automate the employee lifecycle. Therefore, customer and field service workflow script. ServiceNow powers external engagement too. Customer service management enables seamless case handling. Field service management coordinates on-site teams. Order management supports telecom and manufacturing, while connected operations monitor EIs and settlements and contracts, define expectations, and visual taskboards track work efficiently. Creator workflows empower everyone to build app engine, and Flow Designer enable no-code development. Integration Hub and RPE Hub handle external systems and automation. Mobile App Builder and Process Automation Designer support mobility and scalability. Governance tools like App Engine Management Center and Delegated Development Team control while enabling innovation. Security Operations SecOps. SecOps enhances enterprise protection. Security incident response and vulnerability response manage threats. Threat Intelligence analyzes feeds and full feed duration compliance enforces policies. Playbooks guide automated response, reducing mean time to resolve. Governance, Risk and Compliance GRC GRC supports enterprise resilience. It includes policy and compliance management, risk management, and audit management. Third-party risk extends oversight to vendors. Continuous monitoring and automated risk scoring help you identify and prioritize issues proactively. DevOps modules integrate CI/CD with change controls. Amazon Change Acceleration automates approvals. DevOps Insights track performance and integration with Git tools like Hired and GitLab ensures seamless pipelines. Risk scoring predicts change success. And EPSO pipelines connect everything together. IT Financial Management /TBM. ITFM and TBM offer financial clarity. They track IT spending, align it with business goals, and support financial modeling. Budget Visys Forecaster Parry helps measure accuracy, while Service Cost Modeling clarifies what you spend where. Platform Intelligence and Analytic Platform Intelligence delivers smarter operations. Performance Analytic visualizes KPIs. Predictive Intelligence categorizes and routes tasks. Virtual Agent handles requests conversationally. IOPS predicts and prevents issues. Machine Learning Model Builder and Decision Builder enable custom automation. And the Predictive Modeling Console fine-tunes it all. User experience and interfaces. Final user experience is key. Service portal and now mobile give users modern access. Agent Workspace and the next experience, our Modernize Agent Fuse. AI search delivers fast results. Guided tours provide in-app learning, and 10 Customizer lets you brand the platform your way. That wraps up our overview of the ServiceNow modules. Whether you're improving internal operations or transforming customer experiences, ServiceNow offers the tools to make it happen. Thank you for joining.